thunderstorm was located over.
National Weather Service in Cleveland and
Marine warning for northward waters from Avon Point, Ohio to Conneaut, Ohio. Open waters from Willowich, Ohio to Conneaut, Ohio until 2:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 12:42 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, strong thunderstorms were located along the line extending from 18 nautical miles north of Fairport Harbor to New Willowich, moving east at 25 knots. Hazard: wind gusts 34 knots or greater and small hail. Source: radar. Impact: small craft could be damaged and briefly higher winds and suddenly higher waves. Locations impacted include Geneva on the Lake, Willowich, Fairport Harbor, Ashtabula, and Conneaut.
The forecast for northeast inland